So happy new year, guys. Welcome to another brand new year. Hope you guys have a lovely weekend and a Christmas celebration. So today we are going to be having the analysis. We are just going to go over some of the pairs, so stick around to the end of the video. If you're a new viewer, click on the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and let's jump right into the analysis. As you all know, during this festive period the market is usually slow because of low volume in the market, and this is a great time for you to reflect on your trading and disciplines and rules and create a strategic plan for this year. So let's start with gold. As you all know, we always start our analysis from the higher time frame, which is the 4 hour. We have drawn our support level. This is our support. Price has been at around this level before. Price came here once. This is a weak rejection. This is a strong rejection. Price also came again. This is the second time and the third time. And you can identify whenever price gets to this level. Remember, it's an area, it's not a single line, so it's an area. Whenever price gets to the area, price rejected, and we can see an immediate reaction at that level. So we draw out this level. This becomes our support level in the market. So we anticipate that price will keep respecting this. So all we are waiting for is for price to push deep into the level so that we can safely take our buys here, stop loss below the support level for a continuation up. We are taking this trade as a reversal. Remember, we are not trading against the trend. We are only doing what the market is telling us. The trend is clearly down, but we can identify that this is a support level. Price have been this level, price rejected at this level. It's a strong sign that buyers are sitting around this level, and it's a good buying opportunity. Buyers are ready to push the market back up. So that is why we are taking this as a reversal. So let's scale down to the 1 hour so that we can see the behavior of candles around that level clearly. So you can see the market is already turning bullish. The candle is already turning bullish. This is a level. You can see this is a strong bearish candle after the close. We anticipate that the next candle will be bearish and continue down or break below. But you can see the next candle is bullish. This is a strong sign this level is holding. So if you are not currently in the buy, you can still take the buy now, but just make sure your stop loss is below the support level. This is where your safest stop loss is going to be. Don't try to cheat the market. Always make sure you have a moderate stop loss. So this is the best stop loss placement here, below the key level, below the support. So we anticipate price to push back up to some of this resistance level in the market. So this is the first analysis. It's on gold. So let's check on Bitcoin USD. We're just going to go over this pairs real quickly. Let's check on Bitcoin USD, and as we do so, if you have any question, drop it down in the live chat. And if there's any pair you want me to analyze for you, drop it in the live chat and I'll do that for you real quickly. So on Bitcoin USD, the market is currently up. So we are currently in profit. Price is almost at our TP. We anticipate price to get back to some of this resistance level in the market. So this should be our target. Price is currently pulling back. As you all know, that's how the market moves. The market moves in 3 phases, which is the push phase, the pullback. We have the push phase, the pullback. Let me use arrows so that you guys understand this clearly. The market, when the market is trending up, this is a structure that is formed. We have the push phase, then the pullback or the exhaustion pullback before an overall continuation up. So this is how the market moves when the market is trending up. We have the push phase, the pullback, and the continuation. So this is the best area to take your trade after the pullback have happened, after the pullback or exhaustion. Don't take your buys here or here. Always make sure you take your buys after the pullback has happened. So this is the best area to take your buys. So currently the candle is pulling back. This is another good buying opportunity if you are not currently in the buy. As you can see, this is where we safely placed when we took this trade. This is where we safely placed. You can see price have been here on multiple occasions, and what do we see? Weak rejection. So I'm more confident to place my stop loss below this support, because price has shown me that this is a strong level, keeps respecting it, and as long as price is respecting this, we are good for buys. So currently I can safely trail my stop loss. I can safely trace my stop loss into break even like this, because I'm currently in profit. So the next level, if, as I say, if you're not currently in the buy, you can isolate a level like this. This becomes another level you can get into the buy. But when we scale down to the lower time frame, to the 1 hour, you can see the level clearly. Let's scale down right now. So we scale down to the 1 hour and you can see the level clearly. So this is another level to work with if you're not in the buy. Buy at this level. Once the exhaustion have happened, then stop loss below for a continuation up, because we are only looking for buying opportunity, and as long as price is keeps respecting that level, we are good for buys, because the overall trend is up. We want to be trading with the trend, not against it. So after the pullback, we'll take the buy at this level for a continuation back to some of this resistance level. So this is how your second entry should look like. Buy here, stop loss below the level for a continuation up. Remember, as we take the buy, we already know where our target is going to be, where our take profit. So don't get too greedy in the market and only know where to buy and don't know where to get out of the market. You'll be making a big mistake. Before you take the trade, know where to get out of the market. So this is our resistance level. Let me label that so that for the new traders, they will understand this. So this is our resistance level. So this is our resistance level in the market. We anticipate price to get back to this level before we get a reaction. We are not saying that price cannot break above the resistance level, but we might get a reaction because price reacted here before and still did here. So we might get a reaction before price either break above or turn bearish back down. But this is our target for Bitcoin USD. So let's check on other pair, which should be the US oil. As I said, if you are just joining us, click on the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we are having this live stream. And if you have any question, drop it down in the live chat. And if there's any pair you want me to help you analyze, drop it in the live chat. I will do that for you. So let's see. So we are going to be, the next pair should be on US oil. Alright, so remember, always starts from the higher time frame. Let's go back to the, let's scale up to the 4 hour. You can see the overall trend is clearly down. That means we are only looking for selling opportunity on US oil. You can see our setup after the break. Let me illustrate that. After the break of this level, this was our support level, and this 4 hour candle broke below. After the break, we anticipate a retest before an overall continuation back to some of this level here. But let's scale down to the 1 hour to see if we got that retest or pullback. So we did not get the retest, but we still anticipate price to pull back for the retest, and this is where we'll be selling the market. Stop loss above for a continuation down. But if you are a breakout trader, you will be currently in the trade. But I personally am a break and retest trader, so I'll wait for the retest to happen. If the retest happen, I'll take the trade. If it doesn't, I'll walk away and look for another opportunity. So always know what you are waiting for in the market. Plan your trade and wait for your trade to play out. Don't just chase the market. Just because the market is down doesn't mean you should just sell anywhere. Keep that in mind. Have a plan and stick to it. If your plan plays out, you are laughing all the way to the bank. So that's the analysis for US oil. We are waiting for the pullback to the retest level, and we'll sell here, stop loss above for a continuation back to some of this level. So let's check on pound JPY. We have analyzed gold, Bitcoin USD, US oil. The next pair will be, okay, this is Nasdaq. Next pair will be the pound JPY. Sorry about that. Pound JPY. Alright, currently no pound USD. So let me just analyze pound USD since we are on the chart. It's a simple analysis. We're on the 4-hour time frame, and the first thing you want to do is to mark out your key levels. So you can identify that price broke below this level before. I will show you exactly how. Price broke below the level. This level was holding for a very long time. Price was trading above it. Whenever price gets to the level, price rally back up, price leave weak rejection. This 4-hour candle broke below the level. After the break, this was our retest. After the retest, price continued down. Currently price is back at the retest level, so this is a good selling opportunity. We'll sell at this level, stop loss above for a continuation down, because when we scale down to the 1 hour, even though you will see a bullish structure, but it's a retest level in the market. As long as price is, this is another secret I'll share with you, as long as price is trading below this retest level, the trend is still down. The only time the trend will be validated to be bullish is when we have a strong 4-hour candle close above this retest level. Let me say that again. As long as the candles are trading below this retest level, the trend is still down. We are looking for selling opportunity in the market. But as soon as we have a strong bullish candle above the level, the trend is now bullish. So let me scale down to the 1 hour. When I scale down, you can see that the trend is bullish. You can see a bullish structure, but still we need the candle to break. Okay, you can see that the candles are bullish. It's a bullish structure. Price is making higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. But we need a strong 1 hour candle above to close above strongly. A candle like this to close above this level before this uptrend will be validated. As long as price is respecting this, we are good for sales. So that's the analysis for pound USD. So let's analyze pound JPY. Let me illustrate this like this. As long as price is trading below that retest level, we are good for sales. Trend is still down. So this is how your trade setup should be like, unless price broke above the retest level. So this is a good selling opportunity. Let's check on pound JPY. And if you want to be part of our VIP trading signal group, where we drop daily high probability trading signal on gold, Bitcoin USD, pound JPY, US oil, and other top major currency pairs daily, check out the video description. There's a WhatsApp and Telegram link. Click on the link. You can chat with me directly. You get added to a group. It's a paid membership group where you receive high probability, high risk to reward trade daily and market insights. So let's continue with our analysis. We're on pound JPY. The trend is the market is currently consolidating. Market is tapping the resistance and support level and not making a clean structure either up or down. So the market is ranging, moving sideways. So we are doing nothing now. The only time we'll try to take a trade is when price get back to the resistance or support. But as long as price is in the middle of a range, we are not taking any trade. It's a risky and low probability trade. So never take a trade in the middle of a range. Either wait for price to get back to the resistance and once price get to the resistance and we start identifying weak rejection like this through the scaling down technique, this is the only time we'll scale down and sell the market stop loss above for a continuation back down. The same principle apply when we are looking for buys. So one of the rules of trading the range is never take a trade in the middle of a range. Wait for price to get back to the key levels. This is where your good trades are going to come from. So we are doing nothing now on pound JPY unless price get back either to the resistance or support level before we look for tradable opportunity on pound JPY. So let's check on the last pair, which will be the EURUSD. If you have missed any of the pair you want me to analyze, go back to the video and play it back. You get the analysis more clearly. So this is the last pair we'll be analyzing, which is the EURUSD. EURUSD is also moving sideways. Price is consolidating. Price is not making. Price was trending down clearly at this level. There's no doubt price was trending down, making a clean structure down. Suddenly price stagnated around this level and stopped making the new lower low. So the price is currently ranging at this level. That means we are doing nothing. We either wait for a clean break either below, look for the retest and continuation down, or for the candle to break above the level and come back for a retest and continuation up. But currently we are doing nothing on EURUSD because the trend is ranging. Market is moving sideways, and this is the reason for this is my own opinion, but I've been trading for a very long time. When the market is ranging, is the buyers and sellers are in a tug of war. Nobody is really in control, and this is due to like low volume in the market. There's low volume, and it's understandable because it's the festive period. Traders are all on holidays and few traders are active. But once the market opens fully, we can see more volume and volatility because of low volume in the market and volatility. So that's the analysis for today. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section, and see you guys next time.